and Aubrey show. Oh, hold on. What?
Here.
Not two.
Yes, ma'am.
Nope.
It takes two for you.
Welcome back, guys. Welcome to the Landry and Aubrey show. So to tell you something, I had yesterday. My sister was there. We both danced, and we are good dancers. Yeah. If you live here, guys, it is Legacy Dance Academy, by the way. Me and Aubrey are sisters. We don't have the same mom or dad. But yeah. That is like a humongous gal. Right there. Another gal right there. Oh well. But I wanted to give you a room tour today, so let's get into it. So first I have this messy thing. There's one of my JoJo bows. This messy dollhouse. Over there is my closet. There's all my JoJo bows.
Here's your pajamas.
Okay. Over there is
Fix your
my
clothes and dirty clothes and take them off.
my TV and my clothes stand, my bed. Over there is stuff and all of that. I have books over there, and then all the slime and all my homemade squishies.